Welcome back to my channel. In my neck of the woods today is day 2, but they started knocking down part side of the building yesterday before we left for the day, and yeah, this is what we came to this morning. This is day 2, by the way. Demo and pre-demo down that way. Here's what we missed on the way in this morning to capture all this. The windows were already out, so they didn't have to worry about nothing. They started bringing the wall down yesterday and stopped. And they started at probably like 7 something this morning. This is Merrill Elementary School and Middle School together. He's putting it, spraying that so the dust can stay down. And do that there at all constructions. They're taking all the playground equipment and they're gonna recycle it, and the money goes back to the company after they get the money from all this metal. And now metal that's part of this building goes right back to this business. Dang. Yesterday they were working on the windows in the first video that I have uploaded so far. This is the progress, just like what we did with Webster Stanley before they rebuilt a new school in its place. Check this out. They're getting all asbestos. Kind of can see it inside of it. The school. Let me see if I can find another door. Always have a chain link fence around the places that are coming down, so yeah. There you go. Perfect. So it's not dark at all, so that's exactly awesome. Very, very awesome to see. That's the hallway to the gym where they had stuff on the bulletin board and stuff like that. When we went through the walkthrough 2 different times, that's in my videos. Feel free to check that out. No, they're not ready for Halloween. They're suited up because there's asbestos in the building. They took all these windows out. Now he's vacuuming off. Come on. Stubborn. That's an actual person, so that's the boss. There we go. That's the boss. Doing a little bit of stuff too. They took these windows out prior to demo because it's easier that way than it was with Webster Stanley when they took all the windows out when they brought it down. Let's go do some more looking. They covered this dumpster because everything is biohazard, asbestos on it. So yeah, that's what they do when they take these dumpsters back where they came from, back to dispose of them actually, and then they cover them up so none of the debris or asbestos gets out of the dumpster. Windy day again. Day 2 of windiness. Rain later tonight into what you call it? They have their suits on because of asbestos, and you don't want to get asbestos on your clothes. That was a classroom, I'm guessing. Wow, they already got rid of the door. Holy cow. There was a door there to go into the school. This is interesting stuff to me, how they bring things down. Each construction company is different, what they require others to do before they bring a building down. Alright, we're on Kentucky. They've already taken the markings on the building were their indicators of which room was taken care of with asbestos, needed to be taken care of more or less, and which rooms still needed to be done. So that's why it's all marked on the building in different colors. We're on Kentucky, walking towards New York. Take you around the building. Took care of the sidewalk. 2 doors, 6. Ooh, we got a playground. That's already been taken down. This is where the playground once sat. This area is gonna be turned into a track and field. They're going around with marking off the outline of where they're gonna be digging up. I don't know if this tree is gonna be part of it or not. There is trees during our time at watching Webster Stanley. They were marking them off because they were going to keep them, and they were going to work around the plans of what it was going to look like, and then include the trees in the plans. And just says do not enter, nothing more than save this tree. But when they say do that, I think they're saving the trees so they can work around, work it in the plans of a track and field. And they also want to put a memorial for those that went to the school that are no longer here. I think these signs will be auctioned off. I'm not sure how that's going to work. But the architecture is so nice. I wish I could chisel that out without breaking them. This one and this one. I wish I could easily chisel that out, but I doubt they would. There's another one right there up on top of the window, above the window. This is some good architecture work. That would be nice to save. But I think they're going to be auctioning these signs off. There's another concrete sign for Merrill. This opened up in 1901. The actual older part of the building, right, that you see here, opened up in 1901. Probably either opened up or built in 1901. I'm not sure on my history. But yeah, I think the blues gone from that, because I think it's faded from the sun, I believe. But you can see it a lot more on the other side of the concrete slab. It's coming a lot more good. See, Merrill Middle School, building positive relationships since 1901. Focus. There you go. Nope. Come on, stupid camera. Okay, now I gotta carefully. Come on, stupid camera. Well, it says since 1901. It's hard to see because it goes in and out. But I think all these signs are going to be auctioned off because they're going to be gone. I got a feeling they're going to save these trees because they all have ties around them. So they're all tied around it. So I think they're saving these trees. I am walking up West New York Ave, coming up to 200 Central Street. I'm going to show you some stuff on the side of Central that's been going on this side of the building. See, there you go. Again, you see different color lines on the building. Hey, this one has red. That was the indication to those that are taking care of the asbestos and the mold in the building. I think they're going to be working their way around it and getting all these windows out. I think they're going to go from Kentucky to New York and then onto this side to get all the windows out, because that's hopefully their plan before it comes down. I think the addition will be down first before they take the rest of the building down. This was a teacher's parking lot for this school. It's like I said, it's interesting as heck to see things like this happen, because I don't know, that's just how I portray it. It's interesting. Like I said, there's 2 walkthroughs of this school as well as another school that will be coming down to Washington Elementary, located at Winnebago Ave. On Winnebago Ave. So that will be coming down one. The city will be taking care of that one because they bought it. They're working with Habitat Humanity to build side-by-side houses on that area. So that's going to be interesting to see. So I'm hoping that this one doesn't come down the same time as Washington does, because that'd be hard to do, bouncing around and getting both schools to coming down. They used this school one last time while another school was being built, and that was Menominee Elementary being built. Elementary students were in this one before they did the 2 tours through, farewell tours. And yeah, Era A 1954. So all this going backwards is from 1954. That's what I'm guessing. What that means, brick-wise, I'm guessing. We're coming up to Tennessee, walking past Tennessee Street, I think it is, or Ave. And then you got the bus pickup area. See, this is the area that's going to be. This is the part that's coming down. So it looks like a hallway, I'm guessing. But then again, it's interesting to see things like this come down and other things go in its place. Like I said, it's going to be a track and field for the students at Val Phillips School. In the distance, right there, they're going to be using it. Oh, here comes my wifey. Yep. This whole thing is coming down, a little at a time. I'll be right back. Walking up Custard to Kentucky. My wife came to tell me they were taking down some more stuff out of the building, so let's get back to it. And we're back. They're continuing and knocking down the school. I'm right by the entrance to the back of the school. I will move when trucks come through, because this is the best spot right now to be, because when I go through the fence, it focuses out and then I can't see nothing and you can't see nothing. So I get the best footage and bring it to you guys the best I can. They got a different kind of thing on there, see, a different kind of grabber on the end of it than the regular excavator has. The roof caved in when I was on the other side of the building. They just throw all that debris from inside the building into dumpsters. But they do save the middle. And that goes, like I said, back to the business at hand. They save all those heating decks up there, you see? And then they put it toward, they get paid for that too. This is the playground with the bike rack that they're gonna get money for as well. All that goes back into the business. I'll be right back. Taking all the metal off the what you call it, and then they recycle all that stuff. All the metal is recycled. ceiling came down. It's windy as hell out here. Day 2 of windiness today. Rain tonight, like I said, into tomorrow, which it was Halloween. He's taking all the stuff from the playground, putting it on top of that stuff. While he works inside the building. Water is put on that to keep the dust down. And those are in the duct vents above them. Also is going to be saved and re-gotten for the money for the business. Very, very interesting stuff. There you go. I got the phone on top of the fence. Metal, ching. More metal for the company's money back in their account. The fence is moving because of the wind, so if you see movement, that's because the fence is moving with the wind. I don't put it on a tripod because one time I put it on a tripod doing Webster, it fell down on me twice. So, yeah, I'm not having that again. I can't find any sturdier tripods to stand the test of the wind to record this stuff. Nice. Memories that were made in this school. Well aware. Memories last forever in our hearts and in our minds, and on pictures. Now they have the vent duct above them. One of the beams. Come on, fence. I think there's a lockers, I'm not sure. And those are not, I'm not sure if those are lockers. It could be in the hallway. Now they're trying to get the duct vents down for more money towards their company, recycling wise. This one's getting ready to start up too. Yeah, 3 going. Oh, he's got something else on the end. He's gonna cut those beams in half. That's what he's doing. He cut those beams in half later. Yeah, those are like they are lockers. They are. Now they're clearing the way so they can get the rest of the stuff down. Those are lockers. I can see it from here. It's metal and it's money to the company. Wow. Interesting is at that. And they're trying to get the corner of that corner. They're trying to get to the beams for the roof. Oh snap! They got a hold of the beam right now. They did this with the Webster Stanley Mid-Old School gym. Man, it took a while to come down in the video. It's on my YouTube channel. It took a while. I haven't did a separate video about it because it was taking forever. To me, that was interesting to watch that come down. Spraying the water to keep the dust down. Yep, those are lockers. Legit verification. It's metal to the company, they don't care. They're paid to do their job and they're doing it. There you go, got another. Trying to get some more of those beams out, support beams. And then they just work on the side of the building. Metal. They're smarter than you think, people. They know exactly where the stuff is. The metal is and everything. It's crazy. Here comes the roof. Bring down the roof. There's the metal. Cha-ching. I hate when the fence just jumps into the picture and unfocuses my video. I think this was a hallway. I'm not sure. Because I think it was the hallway. Could be wrong. They are cleaning up right now so that they can get more stuff brought down. We'll be right back after this. Focus. Bring more down. Come on. More metal beams. Roof. Windy, windy, windy. Here comes the pipes. Now the pipes are not piping anymore. Everything's going. Even the kitchen sink. Does not do any decent in recording or I thought a plane was coming, but it's that bobcat picking stuff up. They're working their way around the building to get all the windows out prior to demolition. It's progress. Here's the reading room, I believe it was. Interesting. Very, very interesting. Up. We'll be right back with part 3 after this. Thank you for joining me. Thanks for joining me on this part 3. We'll be right back with part 3. Don't you go anywhere. This is interesting.